So now I hope Metasploit has been successfully installed in your Android device and you're getting Metasploit Framework installation finished in your screen. Next, let us see how to run and test Metasploit Framework. If you directly type Metasploit, it will show command not found. So first of all, we need to go inside the Metasploit Framework directory. Now, if you have installed correctly as demonstrated in our last video lecture, then you need to first go to user directory. So for that, first cd space ... So once you have typed cd space ... then when you will type ls command, you will see usr directory, that is user directory. Change the directory to user, then ls. Next, we need to go to opt directory. Now as you can see, Metasploit Framework is now inside the opt directory. So now we'll change the directory to Metasploit Framework. Simply type cd space Metasploit Framework and hit enter. One more thing, make sure you remember how we came till Metasploit Framework, because this is how we need to do everything. This is how we need to do every time when we'll be using Metasploit. As you can see, we are inside the Metasploit Framework. There are many files and folders inside it. Now simply type ./MSFconsole and hit enter. Now what is the MSFconsole? The MSFconsole is probably the most popular interface to the Metasploit Framework. MSF. It provides an all-in-one centralized console and allows you efficient access to virtually all the options available in the MSF, that is Metasploit Framework. MSFconsole may seem intimidating at first, but once you learn the syntax of the commands, you will learn to appreciate the power of utilizing the interface. Now, once everything is installed successfully, you will see the number of exploits, auxiliaries, posts, payloads, encoders and nopes available. Now we have come across all the terms in our previous video lectures and reading materials. So till now, if you face any problem regarding understanding of any terms or the installation procedure, feel free to reach out.